right now we have this huge focus on weight loss, and specifically rapid weight loss, and some of it's, you know, from using, you know, the weight loss shots, or it's, you know, surgery, or maybe you just cut out some certain foods and you lost a bunch of weight really fast. And the reason why that correlates with hair loss is because if you have ever been someone who has lost a lot of weight really fast, one of the biggest things that happens to almost everybody that does is you lose your hair. Your hair will fall out because your body is like, you know, going into freak out mode. I don't know the science behind it. I'm sure somebody does and they'll let us know, but I just know that happens. And now that can be temporary. I think it's pretty temporary. So if you've lost it due to a rapid weight loss, you could potentially go 4 months without your hair. Like, and then of course, as it starts to grow, it's going to be slow at first, you know, it's got to fill in and all of that. So if you find yourself, or if you know someone who is struggling because here they made this huge achievement of losing all of this weight, and now they're losing their hair. It's kind of like a trade-off. Like, I lose the weight and now I'm going to lose my hair. Like, you know, it can seem unfair. So I would encourage, in the interim, while you're waiting for your hair to grow back, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, you try toppers, because they are going to be a game changer for you. And like I said, it's not going to be something that you have to use all the time. And so when you do that, because especially if you're trying to regrow your hair back, because you can, because it's from rapid weight loss and not from a condition like androgenetic alopecia, then you are going to want to make sure that you have researched the toppers, you know what size to get. And remember, we measure here and here your hair loss to find the proper cap. So you want to make sure you're measuring your topper, you're getting the right topper cap size, you're getting the cap that you want, because if you're not getting the right cap size, what can happen, which I've said in my other videos, is you can start getting traction alopecia. And traction alopecia is when the clips are pulling and tugging on the roots of your hair, and so your hair is falling out because of the damage that it is doing. So make sure, and you want to do that whether you're not trying to grow your hair back or you are, because it's painful. It will get painful and you'll get upset and you'll get discouraged with your hair loss journey. So you really want to make sure that your cap is going to be, your clips are going to be at the densest part of your bio hair. And then if you're still having issues, then another thing is you take your bio hair and you kind of back comb it and kind of like give it some texture, maybe spray some dry shampoo in there, do all of that. And then you'll get more of a secure hold that's not gonna pull at the roots too much. So just keep all those things in mind. And now that I've talked about like the hair loss and the rapid hair loss from weight loss situation, I want to know what you guys think, like on that whole, like, do you know people who could benefit from this? Like, and that you're close enough that you can be like, hey, you should try toppers. I want the information out there so that when you are worried about it and you're stressed, maybe you come across my page and I'm like, oh, there are options. Because if you've never suffered from hair loss, you've never looked into it. You don't know the world of wigs and toppers that are out there. I mean, the amount of people who have no idea that these pieces exist is astonishing to me, because I'm immersed in it. One, I wear them all the time. I purchase them, I review them, all of that. I'm around them all the time because I have hair loss, and it is such a big part of my life and just my daily routine, that the other people who have hair and don't worry about that, they don't even think about it. They have no idea what's out there. And when I tell them, it's so fun, it is so fun to educate even those that don't have hair loss and are not going to benefit from a topper, I love talking about them. I'm so passionate about this because, like I said, I suffered for so long. I mean, countless hours crying before I'd leave the house. Just, why can't I have thick hair? Why does everybody have thicker hair than me? You know, like that whole thing. I did that for so long that now being able to have an option to feel normal, to feel like I fit in, is just so exciting to me. And I want others to know that, and especially those that are suffering with the same hair loss that I am. I want them to know that as well.